Hello and welcome to Mask College of Business and Technology. This is your facilitator, Mr. Mwenda, and I will be taking you through this module on logistics and procurement skills. We begin by looking at a number of objectives that we are going to be planning to cover. The first one is we seek to understand various terms that are used in logistics and procurement. We'll also seek to understand various modes of transport. We'll also seek to understand various concepts of warehousing, also be able to carry out proper material management, understand various issues around sourcing, and finally be able to understand various concepts revolving around quality and quantity determination. So the first topic will be on the introduction to logistics, and we have a definition of logistics, and we are saying is the process of managing the movement and storage of goods from the producer to consumer. So we simply saying logistics is about the movement of goods from the point of production to the point of consumption. And then we also have the term logistics management, is the process of planning and controlling the flow of goods efficiently and effectively from the producer to the end user. So we have to ensure that whatever we are saying is the movement of goods, it is very well coordinated. And that's why we bring the aspect of management, logistics management. Then through logistics management, then we are able to achieve quite a number of things here. The first one is the right product. So we are able to ensure that we get the right product into the market. The other one is the right place. So logistics management enables us to ensure that products are delivered in the right destination. The other one is the right time. And we are saying that every customer seeks for a timely delivery for goods. Thus, organizations should ensure that this is done. So ensure that once goods are ordered, logistics management now enables the customer to receive the goods at the most appropriate time, whether you are ordering online, whether you are ordering from a person who maybe sells goods to you. And the other one is the right condition. So no one wants to receive goods that are defective. So through logistics management, then we can check on the quality of the goods and ensure that whatever the client receives is a perfect item. And the other one is the right cost. An appropriate price ensures that organization makes profit, but also gaining a competitive position. So when you charge your clients right, you ensure that as you also make profit, you continue to remain competitive in the market. Then we have objectives. We are going to look at the objectives of logistics management. The first one is to fulfill customer requirements. We are saying logistics management leads to proper planning on the modes of transport available to satisfy customers. This ensures the smooth movement of goods. Another objective of logistics management is to avoid product damage or the damage of items. The other one is to improve the supply efficiency. We also need to be efficient in our supplies. The other one is to reduce the cost of operation. So we want to avoid any hindrances in between our logistics activities. So we end up reducing the operational cost. Then this is a continuation of objectives of logistics management. We are saying it enables us maximize delivery performance. It also enables us to provide quality assurance. And lastly, to provide a competitive advantage to an organization through increased sales and better customer service. Importance of logistics management. So the first one, it ensures seamless delivery. So logistics management is important because when we talk about seamless delivery, we simply mean that in between where the good has been produced and where the client is, we do not have any things that are hindering that good arriving in the right quality, in the right quantity, and so on and so forth. Then improves efficiency. Creating visibility into a company's supply chain can further improve production efficiency. By that we mean that because of logistics management, now matters logistics, we are able to push the production of goods and services in a very fast manner to the satisfaction of our customers and clients. It is a key to successful supply chain. So logistics is an important element of a successful supply chain that helps increase the sales and profits of the business, that deal with the production, shipment, warehousing, and delivery of products. Another importance is that it provides quality customer satisfaction. We are saying satisfied customers are vital and they help define the business and the true success. So good logistics management creates reliable strategies that help provide service to meet customer demands. So through logistics management, ensuring proper delivery of goods, we as an organization, it simply ensures that we reduce the issues of customer complaints and customers are happy and continue to enjoy the goods that have been provided through logistics and logistics management. Another importance is that it increases transparency. Logistics management enables an organization to understand every step of the movement of goods. Through this, organization can understand the logistical areas of improvement. So through the chain, through the movement of goods from point A to point B, through logistics management, we are able now to identify what are the shortcomings we are experiencing, which part of the chain is making it difficult for the good to reach the client. For example, we can have bad roads, or we can have defective vehicles that are not able to complete a journey. So we are able to work on that so that we do not tell the customer that we are delivering a good at a particular time and we do not. So we need to ensure that we are transparent also as an organization that is practicing logistics and procurement. The other one is that it enhances goodwill. When organizations provide goods of high quality, customers will prefer the product to others. And finally, enhanced communication. Logistics management also deals with ensuring proper communication through the chosen mode of delivery. So communication between the providers of the good and the client is quite very important to ensure logistics management succeeds. Then we also have the types of logistics. We have procurement logistics. It is the obtaining of materials needed to manufacture products. In other words, this part of logistics focuses on purchasing of raw materials. So procurement logistics is all about how do we obtain the relevant raw materials to enable us manufacture, produce replacement of parts if we deal with technical aspects of various items, or machinery, operating supplies, and other items needed for the manufacturing process to work. Then we have what we call production logistics. This manages the stages of combining distributed supplies into product, such as coordinating what is needed to make or put together something. This involves staging of materials at the right time to work with the building of a product. And we are finally saying that the objective of this kind of logistics, the production one, is to ensure that we utilize the production capabilities available to produce goods for logistics. Then we have distribution logistics, also known as transport logistics. We'll also be looking at that as a topic. Our next topic is the bridge between production and the market. So the area comprises processes involved in moving of goods from the producer to the consumer. Then we also have global logistics. So this one is, of course, when we use the term global, is worldwide. So the movement of goods across countries is very, very key. For example, it helps retailers like Alibaba. This is an online platform, alibaba.com, and You can source items from this platform and they are delivered to you. So when you are doing that, we can be able to call that global logistics. And we also have reverse logistics. Reverse logistics is the process of moving goods backwards through the supply chain. In other words, reverse logistics involves taking products from customers and reworking those products or parts of them to create a new product that can be sold. Remember, customers may not be satisfied with certain goods. So once they bring back them to the organization, maybe for remodeling or recustomization, then we call that reverse logistics. Elements of logistics. So logistics consists of a number of things that are done. The first one is transportation, and we are saying is the movement of goods from the producer to the consumer. It ensures that timely delivery of goods to the satisfaction of customers. So that is a key element, or logistics will involve quite a lot in terms of the movement of goods or transportation. It will also involve inventory. It's the stock of materials in organization maintain inventory levels based on the sales and demand forecasts. Then we have packaging. So through logistics, we can also do packaging. Through storage, warehousing, and material handling can also be done, and also order processing. So we process orders. Once we receive orders, we process by sending the items to customers and so on. And lastly is information control.